So we're going to start with Weili's son, who is a gifted pediatric oncologist who we recruited from Children's Hospital of LA. She previously was at St. Jude's, and her focus is acute leukemia in children.
Thank you. I want to thank everybody for this great opportunity that I can come to tell you a little bit about the research I'm doing. I am an oncology clinician. I don't have a lab, but I mostly work with scientists in the lab trying to figure out, how I can translate the findings in the lab that really to see if I can design clinical trials to benefit patients. This is the second time I'm receiving the seeding grant. I want to talk a little bit about the first seeding grant. I want you to see what can be impacted, your money actually impacted on the patient. The first time I received was 5 years ago when I just finished my fellowship training. I have a great idea, but I would just have difficulty to find the money trying to translate the patient. And then I received the seeding grant, and then using the initial seeding money, I was able to, working with my collaborators in the lab, find out some preclinical data. Then using the preliminary data, I was able to actually write a phase 1 clinical trial and get a much larger grant to complete the phase 1 trial, which is treating children with relapsed and refractory acute leukemia. And 5 years later, I can tell you that we complete the trial, and half of the patients on that trial actually had a complete response, and then which actually gives them hope to be able to receive more definite curative therapy, such as transplant, and eventually cure them. More exciting is we're able to find out a biomarker that could tell us maybe what patient could benefit from this therapy. Some patients may not. And then we're going to test these biomarkers in a large coming randomized phase 3 clinical trials in children with leukemia. That's going to open this year. So I think now you see your money do make an impact on the patient lives. And so second one, this time the seeding grant, the project I'm going to do is actually going to be a pure clinical project. I'm going to looking at what's the best way to use a particular chemotherapy drug. It's called the PEG asparaginase. We call it PEG. This is a very important chemotherapy drug to treat the most common type of childhood leukemia, ALL, and also some adult leukemia as well. But it's very, very difficult to use. It can have unnecessary toxicities, and sometimes the patients, they don't have the therapeutic drug level to achieve the anti-cancer effect. So this, the money I received is going to use to do a small pilot study, trying to figure out what's the best way to use this PEG, and then we can avoid some of the unnecessary toxicities and make sure every patient will be able to achieve the therapeutic drug level. So hopefully in the next couple of years I'll be able to come here again to update you, how this trial is going to be, and so you will see what impact that your support and have on patients.
What is the name of the drug that you're working with?
PEG asparaginase, which is an FDA-approved chemotherapy drug, and it's a very, very good drug for ALL.